Guys, this is one of the way you will become a millionaire right inside your room. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to Binance. I know you must have had the platform called Binance before, a crypto exchange platform, right? But there are three ways you can make money from this platform that the expert don't even want to show you themselves. Some of these experts, you see them driving big cars, small, but driving big cars, and you think they are like doing illegal business. But this is the secret they are using to make huge amount of money within a day. You understand? Not to talk of expanding their making of money into a month. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you three ways you can turn your money. You must have money, the already money you have, into multipliers. Okay, let me call it that way on Binance crypto exchange platform. Okay, so especially if you are in developing country like Nigeria country and Nigeria, Ghana and other countries where the currency is being devalued. So this is an opportunity for you. Instead of you leaving your money in the bank, bring your money into Binance, and I'm going to show you how you are going to double that money, make times 10 of that money within a month. Okay, within few days, within 24 hours, you are going to make almost 50% of that money you deposited on your Binance account. And I'm going to show you this live on how you do that. This is not about, as far as you have money right now in your bank, in your local bank, take that money into Binance. So let me assume that you don't have an account on Binance, and if you have already have account, and verify your account on Binance, because you must verify on Binance just like you do your normal verification in your local banks. That is how you are going to verify on Binance also. Okay, so now let me assume you don't have account on Binance, and I'm going to walk you through the process of creating an account on Binance. So the first thing you do, if you don't have Binance and you have not verified the account, is to go to your Google Play Store right now and go to your Apple Store, and click and search for this word Binance. Okay, search for this word Binance. Okay, so now once you are in and you have searched for that particular word Binance, so this is the first page you are actually going to see after installing that application into your phone, and the next thing you are going to do is to sign up. Okay, you hit on sign up on Binance. Okay, after installing it from your Play Store or Apple Store. So once you hit on sign up, although you can also continue sign up with your Gmail, but I think you should select the name you want on Binance different from the one on your Gmail, so you can just continue to sign up like fresh user. Okay, so the first thing you do is that you have the choice to use email, as an option to sign up, or a phone number. Okay, depending on the one you think it is very secure for you. And if you are like a newbie, I think you are not, you are not good in the system, you should use your phone number. Okay, so now you use your phone number. So for my own case, I'm going to use an email, but it is more secure you use your phone number. Okay, and you can use any of it if you are good, very good in, and you activated the security of your email. Okay, so nobody can hack your email. Okay, so now once you have done that, you put in the information here. The next step is going to walk you through. You make sure that you tick this area, agreed. After putting your email, your password, then you click on this to turn yellow. Okay, you click on this to turn yellow. Once you have clicked on that to turn yellow, this one will now go through, which is the create account version, and immediately you hit on this create personal account version, is going to, account is going to be created. They are going to send you a code into your phone, and you are going to fetch that code and put it, and your account will be created. The next thing you have to do after creating your account, that is to verify, you do full verification, the KYC, right? So now in KYC, they will need your personal information, and you make sure you put it correctly, your full name, just like you use it in the bank. Nobody's going to see that name. It's not your username, it's just your full details, so that they will compare it with your identity card. So in the next level, they will tell you to upload your identification card. If you are in Nigeria, you are going to use your national ID card, and make sure that the name on your national ID card is the same name you put in the personal information they ask you for. So once you have done that, you have successfully verified your account. Your account has been verified because they have your document, your identity, because we are talking about money trading. Okay, so now the next thing is that you now have your full account. So let me log into my own account that have been fully verified, which I use in making my own money, turning my money into more money, right? So now I'm going to log in directly without the process of signing up. Okay, I believe with what I've shown you, you will go through the process of actually signing up. Okay. All right, guys, so I've logged into my Binance account right now, and once you have complete your KYC, this is what they are going to actually show you, okay, so that you have been verified. So this verification means that you can now make transaction, you can buy crypto, you can sell crypto on Binance. So guys, we are about to start making money. You are about to start making money on Binance since you have got verified. So now the next thing you need to do is actually to fund your wallet. Okay, so now in funding your wallet, that is the money you have in Nigeria currency, your local currency, any of the currency you are using locally, you have to bring them to this platform. Okay, so now you have to bring them to this platform. So bringing them alone to this platform is going to make you more money. Okay, that is just one way of making money on Binance. Why did I say so? Assuming let me not talk too much. I'm going to tell you why bringing them here is going to make your money to even go high automatically. Okay, so now this is how to actually create your Binance account. So now the next thing is to fund your account. Okay, so now if you want to buy crypto, like you want to buy USDT, which is the equivalent, the digital form of US dollar. Okay, so how you are going to do it is you actually go to home, go to marketplace. Sorry, you go to home in your home. Right now I'm at home, so this is how you are going to see it. Sometimes if you didn't see it like this, it means that actually you click on your profile. You see where I click, this is always your profile here. Okay, so you click this professional key, you can see it is on right now, right? So that your interface will look professional. Are you seeing it? It's turning to Binance land. So if it looks like this at the beginning, make sure you just like turn it back, so that you have the professional look of Binance. Okay, so you see it has turned to pro, right? So I just thought you wanted. So now once you are here like this and you have this like this, so the next thing you are going to do is for you to buy crypto on Binance is you click on more. Okay, for you to buy USDT, you click on more, and once you click on more, you are going to go for trade. Okay, look at trade here. You are going to go for trade, and once you click on trade, you are going to P2P. Okay, so P2P. Okay, so this P2P means that you are buying from person. Okay, so now you are going to buy crypto USDT. Okay, USDT, you are going to buy USDT. Okay, so now you can see USDT is 778 currently to Naira, depending on your currency you register with. My country is Nigeria, and my currency standard is also in Naira. So you can see NGN here, which is Naira. Okay, so now, so this means that I want to show you something here. So I want to show you that I'm under USDT. Make sure that it's under USDT and you are under buy. Are you seeing buy up there? So you are under buy. Okay, so now since we are order buy, we are buying USDT, which is equivalent to dollar in digital form, right? So what this means is that you look at here, look at this area. It means that this person can only sell crypto of about, let me see, can only sell crypto of at about 224,400 naira. So this is what he is selling. If you are not buying crypto up to 224,400 naira, this person don't want to sell to you. So, and this person is selling cheap, because the cheapest will always be the one you will see at the top here. Okay, so now how do you do, since you are not buying, if you are not going to buy crypto that is equivalent to 224,400 naira, and each of these crypto is 778 naira 0.6, 778.6 naira. Okay, so now let's assume that you want to fund your account with 226, you need 226 USDT, and you want to know the amount in the in Naira. So you can see all you need to do is that you times this figure times 226. So let's say I need 226 USDT. Okay, in my that is what I want to buy. So now I will just go to my calculator right now. Okay, I will just move to my calculator and I'll open my calculator, because they say, I think, what is the price right now? 778.6. So that is what I would say, 7768. eh? 77.6 times 226. This is equivalent dollar amount 226. So you see, I will need about 175,511 naira point six for me to buy 226 USDT. So since I've known what I want, so all I need to do is that I will search for 178,000. Let me just say 178,000. Yeah, let me just say 176,000, for example. That is the maximum crypto I want to buy, because this person will not sell to me if I'm not buying up to 224,000. So I will just go to filter. So you click on filter here, and once you click on filter, put the amount of the total you want to buy in naira. You can see this is showing naira, right? So the total crypto you want to buy in naira, like how many thousand naira do you want to use in buying crypto? That is what it means. So I will just filter that I want to use 100 and what was that amount I calculated just now? 175. Okay, so 175. So I will just type 175. I'll go to filter 175. Let me say 176,000, for example. This is the amount of crypto I want to buy. So all I need to do is just go to to confirm here. I'll click on confirm. Are you seeing what I'm doing right now? So okay, you can see this person now that comes up, that this show that this person is selling from 100,000 above. He will sell crypto, and the total crypto he have for sale, you can see it here, is 350. That is the total USDT crypto he has for sale. Okay, you can see crypto amount, that is the total crypto he has for sale, and limit, it means that, sorry please, limit, it means I'm not getting this right. What is going on? Limit here, it means he's selling from 100,000 above. That is the minimum you will buy, he will sell. So if you are not buying up to 100,000, he will not sell. So that is fine and good, because I'm buying 176. So he fall between the range. And here it means that this is the the end, the total he has for sale. Are you seeing it? The range, those are the range, which is equivalent to 350 USDT. Are you with me, guys? So now, if this guy is not for you, let's say, let me just use this process of let me just use the process to demonstrate to you for real life. Let me click on buy. Okay, let me click on buy from either of these guys. So now you can see that say the price has been on there. Please confirm the price before you proceed. No problem. So you will click on this pay with zero fee. Okay, click on pay with zero fee. So now you are buying 100 crypto, and you can see 100,000 naira will give you 272 crypto. That is the amount of sorry, you are buying a crypto of 100,000 naira, right? So you can see the price there, and at the rate of 778. So you click on buy with zero fee. Okay, so you enter crypto quantity. You just enter the quantity, maybe like you just say okay, let's say the quantity of crypto, which is let me just say 200 100 let me just say 50, for example, 50 USDT. Okay, and it's sorry, that is 128 USDT. You understand? 128 or 129. So this is the minimum this guy is selling, and I'm going to send, this is the amount, because he has changed his price. That is why you are seeing these difficulties. I'm going to sell 100,488.4 naira to him. So immediately I click on that. Are you seeing me? I will click on buy with zero fee. So once I click on buy with zero fee, you can see the summary. Read everything here. This is the amount I'm going to send, and for me to get that amount of crypto that I just type. So now, and this is the amount of crypto I'm going to get. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is click on make payment. Okay, this is the summary. You read it, then you click on make payment. So now once you click on make payment, the name of the person will come out. This is the person bank number, okay, and that is the local bank number. Are you with me? Then so at the bank name is VFD. I'm not familiar with this bank in Nigeria, so uh, let me go back, okay? Let me go back. Let me pick another person. Let me click on this one, for example. Okay, I'll click on crypto. I will click on 129. Maximum quantity. Let me just say 60. Minimum is 128. Then I click 129. It should go. Okay, I don't understand this particular guy, so let me click on another person to buy from this other guy. I'll click on crypto and I will click on 129 crypto. So I will click on buy with zero fee. Are you with me? So the bank of that guy is what make me, I don't understand that bank. So now you can see this one is OPay bank. It's okay. So now this is safe. This is safe transaction because this person, the Binance, have already collected the crypto in their hand. So don't fear that if you send this money to this guy, it's not going to send you your crypto. No. Once you send money to them, it's verified. The crypto have already is in Binance hand, okay, in escrow account. So this is the name of the person. This is the person account number and the bank is OPay. You go to your app. The next thing now is for you to switch to your app. Then put this detail just like normal transfer. Immediately you paid, then you click on this. Okay, you see, immediately they are telling you do not include any T crypto in your description when you are making this payment. Okay, say I got it. Just say I got it. So copy this. What is it called? Copy this account number and go to your app, your back app. Please go to your back app and make this transfer. Immediately you make this transfer, the next thing you do is that you click on this transfer. I've made transfer, this button transferred, notify seller. Once you click on this notify seller, you will now have the chance to chat with the seller. You can also chat him through here, okay? You can also chat the seller through here. So but immediately you make the transfer, just notify seller, okay? So I'm not clicking on it because I don't want them to sanction me. I did not actually make any transfer. So that is how to buy crypto, okay, on Binance. So immediately within a minute, down to 2 minutes or 5 minutes, you will receive a message that done, you have received so USDT in your account. And where you are going to see this money, you can go back henceforth. Immediately you make transfer, and so immediately you make that transfer, you can go back. So where you are going to find that crypto when you receive your message that you have received there is that you go to your wallet down here. Look at wallet at the bottom, and once you click on wallet, you see that your number of crypto so far will be here, okay? Your number of crypto will be here. This will be your balance. This tiny area will be your balance. So now to start making money with this money you have just funded, it evolved 3 ways, okay? So I don't want this video to be too long. This is a video on how to create your account. So subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I'm going to show you how you are going to turn this money. Within 24 hours, you are going to make, like, if you put, like, you are going to make almost 50% of the money in profit, okay, with a method I'm going to show you, which is the last method I will show you on how to make money on crypto. So this is how to create crypto account and how to fund your wallet. So there's another thing. Actually, if you are going to make money from here, we have different wallet. So now this money is in your funding wallet. The money will come here, okay? You will see it here. The crypto will come here. So now for you, if you want to start trading, you must move the money into spot or future, which I'm going to show you in the next video. So turn on the bell notification and subscribe to this channel so that you receive the next video immediately after this one. Within few hours, I will drop the next video. Thank you.